guys! Today, we're gonna play Mega Man shit! So, ano na tayo? Ano to?
Ha? Tropical house.
Sa pan-tropical, ay, tropical islands in the white sand kasi, ay, kanta pala yun. Gawin na pro-tropical chicken lake school. That's the entrance. Ay, that's the intro.
Sabi ka na ba? Ayaw.
So today, we're gonna pick a wall. And the window. And another wall. Siyempre. And another window.
Window
1,000
door.
windows.
Ano to? Yun na.
Ano ka kayong tae?
Siguro part 1 to, para matapos to. TV.
Yun na nga.
Ano yun?
Nakita yung ID, tapos in-exit ni ano ni Coast. Andito ka eh.
Ha?
Ito, may pinili na siya. Ayan.
Table. Picture. Talagang mahal.
Best decision that I could do. Balik ako nagpalit ng phone. Wala ko.
Okay.
Dati di siya kita. Di kita name niya. Tapos di naman din kita name phone. Pero baby, tayo! Kahit tumain ka, hindi ka tatae!
Ano yung di ka tatay pag natatay?
Obi kaya ako, tapos vlog ako.
Mawlag ka.
Hindi. Pero baby, hindi ka tatae. Halika, manood na ako paano mag-ano yung ano. Paano makuha yung freaking Robux!
Freaking out. Diba? May ano ako, swimming pool floor, tapos wala namang tubig. Kogang bit nito. Look, yeah! Ayaw makalis. Ay, isa pa lang. Ay, hindi, pa naman ang magsalap. Uy!
Okay, download tayo Paymaya.
Hey, Maya.
Oh my God, it's hard to know. Ayaw ko lang si Jordy.
Ako nga, ayaw nga kang kasalupot eh.
Today I'm showing you how to collect your Robux and please donate. First of all, I don't have much donations at the moment, so don't mind that. If it says you have raised more than 0 Robux, leave and follow my steps.
Dapat
Go
mobile
on to
sabi
the
mo.
Roblox side. I'm not on Advecuways, I'm on mobile, so wait for one.
Yun, mobile.
Okay, now, we're on you want to click on the Robux sign on your top right. This will show you incoming Robux. And if you click on summary, then select sales of goods, it will tell you who brought it. Also, the reason you don't have it yet is Becuways. You have to wait for 5 to 7 days. Sorry this was a short video, you will expect more long.
Ano nga?
In this video, I'll show you how to claim or collect your Robux in Please Donate. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. So here we are, Please Donate. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you actually have gone and received some donations, because otherwise there's going to be no Robux available. So as you can see in this case, I've actually got 0 raised because I'm on an old account. On my main account, I do have some Robux raised. Well, actually, your Robux will be automatically collected, but I'm going to give you a bit more information. First thing you need to do back on Roblox. Here we are back on Roblox. So the next thing I want to go and show you is how you can go and see how
Balik na ako.
I've got received. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the top right of Roblox and go and tap on your Robux balance up here, and then it's going to go and give you a few options. All you then need to do is tap on the second balance here. And you can go and do the exact same thing in Roblox Mobile as well. However, you can't do this on the Roblox app. You need to go and open a browser on your phone. That could be Safari or Google Chrome, and then go to Roblox, and then you may need to also go over to the desktop version of the site in the browser, and then you can do the exact same thing. So tap on your Robux balance at the top right, and it'll take them slow. This is going to go and take you to the transaction page, and you can go view all your transactions. So firstly, when you go and get a
9
donation
minutes
in
pa
Please
yung
Donate, it's
5
going
more
to go and be
minutes
moved
pa
to
daw
pending
makakalaro.
Robux. And you're probably wondering, what is pending Robux? Well, basically, it's
Pinipend mo yung
measure
Roblox.
spent by Roblox. Just in case any issues come up with the transaction, and then Roblox will moderate
Get
it.
food. Ay, naku, mali ito.
Cheesy yung burger. Cheesy your turn.
Paano ko nakuha yung ano? Ah, may piano. Paano ko nakuha yung sushi? Ayun na, sushi. Dito. Pwede ko makuha dito.
Hindi ko bawal yung sa model. Ayaw, oh.
Kailangan mo daw sa ano, website.
Pwede yung sa mobile gaga.
Website daw.
Yung website.
Kailangan mo din naman pumunta sa website. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Basta lang sabi website eh.
Let's load, and this is going to go and take you to the transaction page, desktop version of the site in the browser, and then you can do those. You need to go to open a browser.
Kasi puro ko laptop eh.
Are you wondering how to collect your Robux from Please Donate? Well, here is how. First, go to the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then go to the
Ito lang siya. Ito lang. Ay,
Walang swimming pool eh. Dead na muna tayo.
three dots in the bottom right corner. Then go to the settings button. Now you're going.
Now, ang goal natin is makakuha ng Robux. So, ilang days na yun? Ilang months na yun?
At least 2 months. Baka.
Now you're going to want to go to Billing Bed.
Billing bell.
Billing.
Tawag ko dito short mode.
Dito mo.
Nasa laptop ba yun?
Now you're going to want to go to Billing Bed, Billing Help. Then go to Where is my Robux?
Walang billing. Lord sa graphic. Yes.
Ha?
Barbecue.
Eh?
Go to train.
Oh. Wow. nawawala na yung ulan. Ano ba? Ay, hindi ba? Nawawala na ba? Wait lang. Sige. Gusto ko lang pera ko. Oh, bilis. Wait lang! Ano ba yan? Ayoko na. Give up ka na? Ano, bibili na lang ako. Anong bibili mo?
Hindi kasi. Ay, wow! Ano to? Korean pickle.
Wow!
Mag-comment kayo kung pangit yung China. Kung gusto niyo ng Milo, punta kayo China.
Ay, oo.
May Milo si Don.
Ano sasabihin ko pag ano ako? Pag tapos ko na yung video ko.
Bye ka na lang. Hindi talaga yung mentana. Pagkito na lang yun.
Ha? Wait lang. Spaghettios.